Hey guys, this is Corey Green. This is week 2 of our ASD class. I'm here to talk to you about some aspects of my application over this previous week. So let's get on with the questions. What went better than expected and what didn't? What did go well was pulling from my JSON. It was a little smoother than I was expecting. It was pretty much straightforward. And actually, once I figured out that I had the wrong file name for my URL, so did my XML. Nothing too crazy there. But what didn't go so well, and I'm currently struggling with it, was trying to figure out how to parse my CVS or CSV, I should say. I'm still getting an error that pertains to trying to split my string into separate lines. So I'm currently still struggling with that. So I'm going to have to submit this assignment without that working. So what skills from previous courses did I rely on to get this project done? From our previous Scalable Data Infrastructures class, we worked on JSON, and from that I was able to look back into my previous work and figure out how to populate a page with JSON using the for in loop. And that was really helpful with refreshing my memory about JavaScript and how JSON worked, and actually kind of figuring out how my coding went. Since we had a class in between this and our previous scalable data infrastructures class. So it was a good refresher, and it helped out quite a bit. So in my next short clip, I'm going to show you a simulation of an application that pulls from separate websites. It's actually an RSS reader, so I think this is a pretty good example of an application pulling from separate websites for its own uses. So, hope you enjoy it. Alrighty, so since I couldn't get the iOS simulator to work on my laptop for some reason, I'm going to just show you it straight from my phone. So this is an application called RSS Runner, and it basically pulls information from different websites. I've got 9to5Mac, Cult of Mac, some Star Wars The Old Republic information, Smashing Magazine's feed, web design toots, and basically it just pulls from those websites and updates with new information coming from those websites. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty much straightforward. It's just an application used for reading information. So I'll click on one of them here. So I clicked on 9to5mac.com, and it came up with a bunch of new articles that are being updated on a daily basis. And I can go into one of those articles right now. So there you go. I'm not entirely sure how they do this. I imagine some of it has to be through JSON. And so I'm not entirely sure how they get the images up there, but I would imagine JSON would probably do it. So there you go.